Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone's having a great day. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Hill's Science Diet cat food. Recently I discovered this and it's like one of the only foods that I've tried that doesn't make my cat throw up. It's been working for her really good and she really likes the taste of it. So this is Hill's Science Diet. It's veterinarian recommended. It's like a little bit more of like an upscale cat food. You could sell it online and in the pet stores. This is for adults age 1 to 6. My cat is 5, so this is perfect in her age group. And Hill's has so many different assortments. I was like blown away by how many different cat foods and dog foods that they have, treats and stuff, and they're all like really pretty healthy. So this is the optimal care. It says nutrition to improve skin and coat in 30 days. First previously fed U.S. grocery foods. It has vitamin C and E. It's clinically proven antioxidant benefits. No artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. And this is the chicken recipe. This is a 4-pound bag, I believe. Let me take a look here. Oh yes, okay. Net weight 4 pounds, but they do have larger bags as well. It says natural ingredients, with chicken being the number one ingredient in this product. Premium natural cat food plus vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. What I love too is this stays fresh. It's hard with like other bags of cat food that I've purchased in the past. They just don't come with like a good way to seal it, and unless you have like a sealer at home, it's hard to really keep it fresh, and the cat food can become stale, and that's never good. So this has like the Velcro lock, so it's easy to close up and it just keeps it sealed and like so fresh, which is perfect. So it says U.S. veterinarians #1 choice to feed their own pets with the Velcro press lock. Tear here, resealable, keeps product fresh. And let's turn to the back so we can see like the nutrition facts and stuff. Adjust feeding amounts as necessary to maintain optimal weight. If you are unsure, ask your veterinarian. New to this food, please transition your pet. So 1 to 2 days, 3 to 4 days, 5 to 6 days, 7 days, then you can feed them more. Nutritional needs may change as they age. Ask your vet at every checkup. Science Diet is available in a wide variety of dry foods, wet foods, and treats for your pet's unique needs. To prevent suffocation, keep this bag out of the reach of pets and children. Store in a cool, dry place because you don't want it to get stale. And then the back is like full of information, great tasting natural nutrition for a long, happy life with soft purrs and even softer nuzzles. You and your cat have a thing all your own because every moment you spend together is special. We strive to give you more of them with natural ingredients and the right nutrients. Hill's Science Diet is precisely prepared to offer your cat the nutrition she needs for lifelong health and happiness. Highly digestible, high quality proteins to help maintain lean muscle, high quality fiber, fatty acids, and antioxidants to support healthy digestion, skin and coat, and a strong immune system. Exclusive blend of omega-6 fatty acids and other nutrients nourish your cat's skin and coat. Made in our own USA facilities with US and imported ingredients. US vets the #1 choice for their own pets. Manufactured by Hill's Pet Nutrition Incorporated in Topeka, Kansas. Copyright 2016. And then we could take a look at some of these ingredients here. Chicken, whole grain wheat, chicken meal, dried beet pulp, brown rice, vitamin E supplement, vitamin A supplement, hydrochloride, just reading a few of these, oat fiber, natural flavors, beta-carotene, guaranteed analysis, crude protein, minimum 31%, crude fat, minimum 19%, vitamin E. I don't even see ash listed on here, and I know that ash is supposed to be something that you're supposed to steer away from. So, let's take a look at the food so I can show you guys. You can see the size of the food, very small and definitely easy to eat. So definitely easy to put in your kitty cat's bowl, easy for her to chew and swallow, and it tastes good. I even caught my cat up on the counter last night eating it, which she knows she's not supposed to do. So guys, this was Hill's Hill's Science Diet Optimal Care for Adults Aged 1 to 6. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you for watching.